Well, it's the next morning here, May 24th. I'm in the John Deere 8440, and I got a 30-foot land roller behind me. Going a little slower here so I can film. But I'm rolling the stuff that I worked last night, and most people probably roll after they plant, and a lot of times that's after 30-inch rows. We're drilling our beans. So we've done it both ways, and it is nice for the fact to roll after you plant so that the seed has contact with dirt, you know, for sure. And it's like really good, like not packed in, but it's got dirt around the whole seed. But we've found that rolling before, even though we have a pretty decent seed bed with the mulch finisher, it just makes it that much better. It breaks up any clumps that you have, and it just makes absolutely gorgeous seed bed. It helps the drill perform a lot better, more consistently, and it also helps push down those little stones that you could walk the field all day and pick rock, but the little ones you can just push them right in with this. We still got the rock picker ahead of me this morning here. Actually, it's probably afternoon now, and I'm gonna roll down these. I got about 70-75 acres worked yesterday of soybean ground. I also worked 50 acres of corn ground that they did last night. So we're into the beans, and hopefully it's hot. They are talking chance of rain. You can maybe see the clouds building over there. About 60 to 70% humidity and about 85 degrees right now. They're talking 90s for the next few days after this, but there is a chance of thunderstorms tonight. So we're gonna see if he can't get this 70 acres of beans planted. As you can tell, it's very dry in the field. It's very dusty. So we really need a shot of rain. But we'll take what it gives us, and we'll capitalize on this right now since we can be in the field. So I also should mention that the rolling benefits in the fall. One, you're not banging up your bean head as bad. Your bean head rides more evenly. You don't get as much dirt into your sickle. Your sickle lasts longer. You don't hit as many rocks with your sickle, so you don't bust as many guards in as many sections. And you're also able to cut lower. When you can cut lower, you can get those pods that are low, and therefore you can get more bushels. And who doesn't like having more money in their pocket? There he is, getting it. He's getting it. He must have bypassed the other two fields I did this morning. Do those last. Nice. He's getting it done. Woo! This is the story of the little tractor that could. You got to pick up what you can with a 3-point. After you start picking up with the hydraulics, the 3-point won't lift it anymore. It's got the really handy left-hand reverser, and then you just run the forklift attachment off the hydraulic lever, and it just gets them up in there. Which is better than nothing because our rock picker's in the field right now. So it's super handy that the neighbor lets us use this. We're able to keep the operation moving a little more smoothly instead of driving the rock picker back here, taking the bucket off, put the paddle forks on. We just dug a massive rock out of a field with the front bucket. So it's nice to have the rock picker out in the field, and the rock picker is like 3 miles from here. So it doesn't seem like a lot until you lose that time when they're talking rain at 11 o'clock at night. They pushed it back, but I don't know, I have my doubts. I don't even know if it'll rain, but I'm gonna get this towed up there. Starting to get them stacked up around here. It's planting season's wrapping up, but we got a few more days of beans. I'm gonna get this up here. It takes all my concentration, so I'm sorry, but I can't film as I do this. All right, I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's really windy. There's 2 things of soybean seed, 3 of corn, 2 more of corn, 2 of beans, and then 2 more of corn. And then I got the 5th and 6th totes of beans to be used up on there. Lock down the tender so they can either fill here or out in the field if they want. And then we got 6 more totes. Got to get her done. But just for fun fact, the way these totes come in, there's 5.6 million soybean seeds in each one of those boxes. So right there, just on the tender, is 11.2 million soybean seeds to go in the ground. So cruising along, and I'm gonna go give a ride to one of the guys from the rock picker back down here to the mulch finisher, so he can have both rigs up there. It's a 65-acre farm where he pulled in, and see if he can't get that work down before the rain tonight and roll. There's another guy coming out this evening. He can roll and they can hammer down. So with that, take it easy, be safe, and we'll check you guys later.